The Audit of War, Barnett C. Contemporary Debates in Education, Brooks R. What Future for Education? Simon B. The reading list. So after you get one of these, you'll need to find out where the library is and how to use it. The main entrance is situated in the corner of Alexandra Square, between the bookshop and the coffee bar. Okay, we're in. So where do we start? All the books on my reading list should be in here. All I have to do is find them. The online catalogue is the place to start. This is the main menu. Option H, select Help, and leads me to the online tutor. By using this package, it's easy to find out how to use the online catalogue. Just follow the instruction. I've already done this. They tell me I can't break anything, so let's have a go. I can search the catalogue using the book's title, the subject the book deals with, or its author. I'm going to search using its author, so I'll select option 1. This is the quickest way of doing it. All I do now is type in the author's name, surname first. Here are the books by Barris. Number 4 is the one I want on study, so I'll select 4. This tells me that the book is not on loan, which means it should be on the shelf. And the important bit, the class mark and the floor where you can find the book. Use these floor plans to find where the book is shelved. I need to find where J is. These overhead signs make it pretty easy to find out where you are. Tier guides on the shelf end show you the class marks on each set of shelves. Class marks mostly use letters, and they're arranged alphabetically. Books with the same class mark are arranged under the author's name. This is the book I want. Down here at the issue desk on A floor, the staff will issue it to me, providing I've got my library card. Hello. Hi. Thank you. If it's a long loan book, I'll have to have it back within 6 weeks. If it's on popular loan, I'll only have it for a week. The date's stamped in the book to remind me. One thing though, there are fines for books returned late. I'm back here at the terminal for something else. This tells me that someone's beaten me to it and already has the book I want. If this happens, you can use one of these reservation cards to reserve the book for yourself. All the information on how to do this is in this guide. Don't forget to fill out the back with your name and college, and the library will get in touch with you when the book is returned. Great. Excuse me, do I give this to you?
If your name's on the back, placed in the bar.
Most of the books on my reading list have short loan written against them. Can you tell me what that means?
It's a separate collection of books that are in heavy demand. You might like to think of it as a library within a library.
Okay, so where is short loan? Well, it's down here on the ground floor. Basically, put your back to the inquiry desk and head off in this direction. Here we are, short loan, the library within the library. Just remember, the most heavily used books in your reading list are likely to be in here. So let's find out a little bit more about it. Okay, what do I need to know about short loan?
Well, it's exactly that, really. Books in here can be borrowed for about half a day, and you'd borrow and return them at the counter here.
Right, what happens if I return a book late?
Well, you'd have to pay quite a heavy fine. That's because you may have been keeping other people waiting for the book.
Right.
So we try to encourage people to return the books on time.
Okay, and can I reserve books in short loan?
Yes, you can, for a day ahead, and you do that by asking somebody at the desk in here.
Well, that's about it for the reading list. But what else do you need to know? Well, the library has a whole load of journals. They call them serials. They can be found here on the ground floor of the library. The current issues are on the shelf, and the immediate past issue are underneath. Back issues can be found upstairs on B or C floors. And now the rest. The general reference area, with most general reference work. Places to study. Workstations to access CD-ROMs and the like. A resource center to view videos, listen to tapes, records, and CDs. Photocopiers on every floor. And finally, subject librarians. They're here to help you find information in your subject area. Not today, thanks, Brian. They'll also give you more general help if you need it. It's not difficult to use the library, so why don't you give it a go? For specific information, you can use this pack, which you'll be given when you collect your library card. If you get stuck, help is on hand from the inquiry desk or the subject librarian. But in the first instance, try and help yourself. Now, where did I put that reading list?